Alright, this stuff, all types of flopping, as you can see, $8.95. No price on that, but they're all around $10, $10 to $12. Little things, tomato bushes. Stretchy carpet fibre, that's $19. Choips. As you see, all that costs money, but it's not just the money that it costs, it's the fact that with COVID lockdowns, it can take 6 weeks to 8 weeks to be delivered. And getting it delivered that slow, you don't get your projects finished. Okay, so what we'll do today is we'll head downstairs to the basement. I call it the dungeon because there's no actual windows in there, so it's always dark in there, so we'll just turn the spotlights on and I'll show you how you make some stuff to save you some project time. Okay, welcome down to the basement. Just a quick tour, that's the drying rack there. I'll show you some of that in the next video. So this is ground scatter. I'll just quickly show you how to make it. And that little handsaw there does great for making lots of sawdust. Makes heaps of sawdust. Okay, I'll quickly show you how we're making this. Okay, let's hope we can get this all to work. So, we start with trusty old KitchenAid cheese grater. I'm trying to keep the storm 2 weeks ago. This is all we want is the leaves and the very thin branches in there. Do a little bit at a time because it won't burn it out. Put in the last lot of scatter you had. Give it another lot of blending through. Really doesn't matter how many times you put this stuff through. The top here, get the nuts that don't generally go right through, keep those separate. Texture and also to help the glue stick later. Put some sawdust through. I always extra filter this just in case I've picked up a nail or something that I really don't want going through. Not much in there. There we go, that was a nail. Ground foliage, enough to do the diorama that I'll make in the next video. Cappy's favourite box. Hopefully you can see that. It's not a bad size. So this scatter, and you can keep going and going and going in there until you get it all compressed if you need to. And sawdust in there. It's very fine. I'll show you another use of that too in the next video.